This is the world of the waterfalls. Can you see? Everywhere waterfalls. Every mountain has a waterfalls. And now also raining. The country of the land of the waterfalls. Can you see? Oh, raining. Look at this. I'm like now the waterfall explorer. This is the little staircase, and also there's water, filled with water. Can you see? I told you this is the land of the waterfalls. Wow. Ah. Oh, no, you came going back. Okay, now I'm just arrived.
Full
This-
enjoy. Best view.
Ah, yes. And I saw the distance. Everywhere water.
I am missing with you.
Ah,
Camera.
ah, okay.
Water in.
Okay.
High water.